Hey everybody, all right. Welcome to my show. Yes, you are very welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, look my table. How colorful and busy. All right. Your table can be colorful and busy. All right. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make delicious recipe. All right. Today I'm gonna make, guess what? Creamy chicken with broccoli and mushrooms. All right. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Let's go. Hey guys, if you want a good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe, right? Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. All right, I'll be right here. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, now I'm gonna show you exactly what I have on my table to make this delicious recipe. All right, I have 1 teaspoon of salt. If you need more, just add it. I have 1 tablespoon of paprika, 8 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. I also have 1 large onion, finely chopped. I have 1 cup of heavy cream. If you need more, just add it. Also, I have 2 pounds of chicken breast, cut in small pieces. Also, I have 1.5 pounds of mushrooms, cut, slice. All right. Also, I have 1.5 pounds of broccoli, small cuts, not too big, not too small. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, don't use. All right. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. If you don't like hot sauce, don't use. Also, I have a half cup of olive oil. If you need more, just add it. Also, I have a half stick of butter to bring the flavor together. All right, very good. Also, I have 1 bunch of parsley, 2 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of chicken stock, plus I have 1/4 cup of white wine. All right, you guys can use any white wine you prefer. All right, you want to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. Very good. Put my fried pan, medium high. Very good. All right, first I'm gonna start with my garlic. All right. No, not the garlic, I'm sorry. My olive oil. Very good. All right. Let me put my garlic back because I want to warm up my oil. All right. I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. My oil is ready. That's me. I'm ready for my next step. All right. My next step is gonna be my garlic. Bingo! All right. Very good. All right, let's stir this a little bit. Very good. My next step is gonna be my onion. All right, very good. All right, let's stir this a little bit. All right, let's cook this for a little longer. All right, and I'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, my garlic and my onions is ready. All right, it's cooked. All right, now I'm ready for my next step. My next step is gonna be my butter. Very good. All right, so now my next step is gonna be my chicken breast. Very good. All right. Very good. Right. Very good. Let's cook this chicken, all right? And I'll be right back. All right, so now I'm ready for my soup. Very good. All right, let's stir this a little bit. Now let's cook this chicken. All right? Stay tuned. Hey guys, my chicken, it's almost ready. All right, it's almost ready. I remove most of the liquid. All right, so now I'm ready for my next step. All right, my next step is gonna be my mushrooms. Bingo! All right, very good. All right, so let's stir a little bit. Very good. Right? So now my next step is gonna be my broccoli. My broccoli, I'm gonna do it slowly, all right? Oops. Very good. Now let me put everything in it. Very good. All right. All right, let's cook these babies. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, time to check. You have to leave cover, all right? Very good. All right, so everything is cooking, all right? I'm ready for my next step. My next step is gonna be my parsley. Very good. My paprika. That's when the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, very good. So now my oregano. Very good. All right, my black pepper. All right, my hot sauce. Very good. Now I'm gonna stir it. Very good. It smells all over my kitchen. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, let me stir this. All right, and I'm gonna cover, and I'm gonna let this cook. All right. So I see you in a little bit. All right, guys, time to check. Very good. All right, let's check these babies. Very good. Ooh la la, all right. Very good. Everything is cooked here, all right? So now I'm ready for my next step. Not 100%, I say like 80%, all right? So now I'm gonna, my chicken broth. That's very good. Bingo, all right, very good, guys. All right, that's my chicken stock. Very good. All right, please bring the camera together. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to observe all the chicken stock and the chicken broth. All right, so now you don't have to cover anymore. All right, so let me stir a little bit. Very good. All right, let's cook these babies. All right, and I will be back very shortly. All right, guys, welcome back. All right, time to check. All right, very good. It's drying. All right, still I have to let cook like for 5 more minutes. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. All right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, let's cook more these babies. All right, let's evaporate a little bit more this chicken stock and chicken broth. All right, I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. It's being reduced. All right. Very good. Now I'm ready for my next step. My next step is gonna be my white wine. Very good. All right. So my white wine has to reduce. All right. And I'm gonna let this cook like for 10 minutes. All right. And I'll be right back. Hey guys, I almost forgot. Time to check. All right. Ooh la la. All right. Observe the water. That's good. Not all the water. All right. But it's ready. My next step. All right. My next step is going to be my heavy cream. All right. If you need more, just add it. All right. Very good. That's when the colors and the flavors comes together. All right. Bingo. Very good. All right. Let's stir this a little bit. All right. All right, very good. It's looking good. All right, let's cook this heavy cream. All right, and I'll be right back. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys. All right, time to check. Very good. Ooh la la. All right. Sheesh, it's almost ready. I'm gonna let this baby cook for 2 more minutes and I'll be right back. But don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. See you very shortly. Hey guys, all right, very good. I'm gonna show you the final product. All right, very good. Please bring the camera together. Looks beautiful, and I'm sure it tastes delicious and it smells all over my kitchen. All right, it's very easy to do it. Anybody can do it. All right, take your time, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, you have to try this recipe. I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Cheers.